This 2027 Grand Design Lineage Series F31ZW is a Super CRV. It is located in Ladson, South Carolina, 29456 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Charleston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 79 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2027 Grand Design Lineage Series F31ZW is built on a Ford F6004 x4 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.